welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, is another Missguided haul. This time they have collaborated with EDHARDY. If you're old enough to know, then you know. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls wore EDHARDY. This whole range is literally just taking me back to when I was like 15, 16 and was wearing Von Dutch, was wearing EDHARDY, and it was just a vibe. EDHARDY used to be the ting. Like literally everyone used to wear it. I used to have the EDHARDY trainers, like the t-shirts, and if you weren't wearing it, like, I don't know what you was doing. I feel like Missguided are trying to put EDHARDY back on the map, and I feel like it might be a good move for them just because this generation probably doesn't know who they are or think that they're like a new company, and they are not. So I'm excited to show you what I picked up, and let's just get into this haul.
I'd rather be alone tonight. You could say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be in your arms tonight. I just use.
So I picked up like pretty much everything from the range that I could. So the first thing I picked up, I remember what this is. This is like a brown tracksuit. It's got the EDHARDY like graffiti tattoo kind of design thing all over it. It's in this like really nice chocolate brown. It says EDHARDY on the front. EDHARDY's designs are really like skull, crossbone, tattoo, that kind of vibe. So I picked up the brown tracksuit. It has the EDHARDY like logo on the front. It says brave hearts stay true, and it's got like the eagle and the hearts on it. Then it's got like the tattoo sleeve on the side with skulls and roses, and then on the back it's got like the skull and crossbone heart thing. Like, oh. I'm so sorry, like this is just reminding me of childhood. I remember I went to a video shoot for Channel U, if you know, and I wore like a bright orange EDHARDY t-shirt. Like if I can find the clip, I'll put it on the screen. It's probably going to be mad blurry because I was like 15 when I did this, but EDHARDY, man. So yeah, the trousers have the like tattoo kind of vibe going down the side of one of the legs, and then the other leg has got the EDHARDY name on the side. The back is plain and there's just like pockets on the side. But yeah, let me show you what this looks like. Put up the spider. Let me show you what this looks like on now. So I like this tracksuit. It's really, really comfortable as well. I like the way it fits. Like I said, I think it was a size 10. And yeah, I got nothing else to say about it. The next thing I picked up, I think, is a dress. Yeah, okay. So this is like a mesh dress. I'm not sure if I actually like this, but I'll show you guys anyway. So it's like an ombre like dress. It's got the EDHARDY logo and then like a dragon on the front, and then it's got like the little sleeves that kind of come off kind of thing. This could go two ways. This could look really nice or it could look terrible, but we're gonna find out now. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna call this a top because this is short as, do you know what, it's not terrible, it's just not me. Like I wouldn't wear this out. And like I said, it's so short, like it literally just about covers my bum. But I do like the colors. Like if this was like just a vest top, I would wear it. I don't like the sleeves. But let's just move on to the next outfit. So I picked up another tracksuit. This time it's orange. It's similar to the first one, but this one is a zip up hoodie rather than just like a pullover. These are the trousers. Again, they've got the like tattoo kind of pattern on the side, and then on the other side it says EDHARDY. So yeah, they're the same as the brown. The hoodie, like I said, has a zip going down the middle, and it's got the skull kind of design and the embroidered EDHARDY logo on the right breast, and then the skull on the other side has a little sailor girl on it, and then the zip goes all the way around the hood, which I really like. I used to wear a brand called Punky Fish when I was younger, which was quite like punky because I used to be like really grungy and stuff. But the hoods used to be the same, like they used to go all the way around. So no face, no case. Let's see how this looks on. So I like the colour of this one. I'm not sure if I like the fit of like the oversizedness, but I like the hoodie. It's really comfortable. I just really like the colour. It's giving me like prison vibes, or you know. I picked up a pink t-shirt. It's just like a little crop top, which would look nice with maybe like some denim shorts or something. This is it here. It just says EDHARDY on the front, and I got this on a size 10. I'm gonna try and find something to wear with it. It is 2 AM, so bear with me. If I don't, then I'll just show you the top. I'll be back. Before I go, I knew I picked up the black one as well. I picked up the black. I don't know if it's the same. Is it the same? Yeah, it's got the same thing on it. So what I'm gonna do is style them with the same skirt, if I can find one. And let me know if you prefer the black or the pink, and I'll be back in a second. So I love both of the tops. I just think they're so cute. I probably would have worn them with like maybe like a denim mini skirt or something, but all my summer clothes are away, like in a box. Like, am I the only person that does that separates their summer clothes from their winter clothes and puts them away? It's a bit long, but yeah, I can't find any of my cute things, so just let me slow down. I can't find any of my cute summer things, so this is just like a work skirt. I feel like it looks okay, but you can style this in so many different ways. Some nice jeans. The possibilities are endless. The next thing I picked up, which I'm quite excited to try on, is this mesh shirt. It is black, obviously. It's got like the eagle design on the back, and then it's got EDHARDY in yellow on the back and down the sleeve. It's got like a satin forest green collar as well, and I got this in a size 10. This could potentially look nice with like some brown, not brown, some black like leather trousers. I'm going to try it on with maybe some cargos and see how that looks, and we're going to find out because I'm going to show you right now. Okay, I do actually really like this top. I thought it'd be a little bit longer. I would probably pair it with trousers that come up to here rather than here, because I feel like this is a little bit too much. But I like the back as well. Like, I absolutely love it. I love the green contrast, love the yellow. I just like the top. I think I picked up 3 more tops. I picked up 2 which are the same, just different colours. Okay, so we're gonna start with black. It's just like an oversized t-shirt, I think, and it just has the EDHARDY design on the front, like that. I got them both in a 10. I'm just gonna wear them with the cargos. The other one is a brown kind of color, so let me know which color you guys prefer, and let's see how they look now. So I think this is the last item now. I just picked up a white, I think this is the last one. A white long sleeve t-shirt. Oh, it's got a tiger on it, okay. Oh, this is cute. It's not cropped, so it's just like a full body t-shirt in a size 10. I feel like I can just wear the cargos with this. It's got a lion on the front, a cheeky boozy lion. That is not a lion, that's a tiger. And then it's got the dragons on the sleeves, and then the rose and skulls on the upper sleeve. I like it a lot. Let's see how it looks on. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. As usual, comment your favourite outfit below, and I'll see you in my next one.